So the first time I looked at Sigma, the team came in and I was just absolutely blown away. In the data warehousing world, you have the raw data source out here that you need to wrangle and then get into some sort of usable form. And then with traditional BI tools, there's this additional step of data modeling. And then you have all these pre-built definitions that are constantly changing. And what Sigma has done, essentially, is they've just blown out that middle step. That data modeling step is no longer nearly as necessary because the end user has a tool available to them with syntax and usability that's very common, like common knowledge to a business analyst because it's so much like Excel.
The ease of use was obvious from the beginning because we could now take people who were trained in the knowledge of some of these tools and immediately give them access to large quantities of data through the Sigma interface.
To bring a team member on board and get them to the point where they can get useful insights in Sigma and get a feel for it and speak the language takes about, I don't know, an hour.
One of the things that's been great about teaching Sigma to our business users and business analysts, I can introduce them to Sigma flat, and within 20 minutes, I'm not even touching the mouse anymore. They're doing all the driving and they're building the reports that they need. They're able to build more effective reports than I could build with them previously in R, which is what we were using before. That would take me, a day or two to get what they can get done in 20 minutes.